Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is, find out the missing number. The series is 5, 5, then 11, 35, 95 and then you have to find out the missing number. So here you can just rewrite the series first. So 5, then 11, then 35 and then 95. So what is the difference between the consecutive terms? So here 1 is the difference, 0 is the difference, then 6 you are having, then you are having a difference of 24 and then you are having a difference of 60. So likewise the difference is going 0, then 6, then 24, then 60. So these differences are having a peculiarity. The 0, 6, 24 and 60, they are forming a particular series. So by practice only you will be able to understand this. So once you see this question and you bear this in mind that 0, 6, 24 then 60 all form a series, you will be able to solve these kind of questions very easily. So what is the series means? 0 is actually 1 cube minus 1. 6 you will be getting by 2 cube minus 2. 1 cube is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Similarly 2 cube is equal to 8, so 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. And 24 you will be getting by 3 cube minus 3. What about 60? 60 you will be getting as 4 cube is equal to 64. 64 minus 4 is equal to 60. If you are encountering this question for the first time in the examination hall, you won't be able to solve this. Only by practice you will be able to realize like 0, 6, 24 and 60 is forming a particular pattern like this. 0 is equal to 1 cube minus 1. 6 is equal to 2 cube minus 2, then 24 is equal to 3 cube minus 3, 60 is equal to 4 cube minus 4. So next, the number which should be added will be equal to 5 cube minus 5. So it's very simple, it's as simple as that. 5 cube minus 5 is equal to 125 minus 5 which gives you 120. So 120 plus 95 will be giving you a missing term. So 125 plus 95 is equal to 215. Next question, find out the missing number. The series is 7, 7, 9, 15 and 27. So again what you will be getting? Your series is 7, 7, 9, then 15 and 27. So there also your first difference term is 0. When your first difference term is 0, you can just think about this. Likewise, is it forming a particular pattern? So 7 and 9, the difference is 2. The 9 and 15, the difference is 6. Then 15 and 27, the difference is 12. You have to find out the next number. So here also you can see the terms are 0, then 2, then 6, then 12. So likewise the terms are coming. So again whether they are forming any particular pattern. So 2 means how you can think? 2 is equal to 2 square minus 2. Then 6 is equal to 3 square minus 3. So likewise you just try to find out a particular pattern. Some cube, 0, 1 cube minus 1 or 2 cube minus 2. The last question we did 2 cube minus 2, 3 cube minus 3, 4 cube minus 4. So similarly here the pattern will be 1 square minus 1 and 2 it is formed by 2 square minus 2. 6 is formed by 3 square minus 3 and 12 is formed by 4 square minus 4. So the next number should be added will be 5 square minus 5. 5 square is equal to 25. So 25 minus 5 is equal to 20. So your answer will be 27 plus 5 square minus 5 which gives you 27 plus 20 is equal to 47. So whenever 0 comes first, the difference between the first and the second term is 0, you can just start to think about these kind of patterns. Then one more question. Here the series is 3, 5, then 15, 45, then 113 and what is the next number? So here what is the difference? You can see the difference between 3 and 5 is equal to 2, then 5 and 15 is equal to 10, 15 and 45 is equal to 30 and 45 and 113 is equal to 68. So here even if you are trying multiplication, you will be getting 5 into 3 is equal to 15 and 15 into 3 is equal to 45. So you will be understanding that multiplication is not the case. The same multiplicand anyway it will not come. 5 into 3 and 15 into 3. Likewise it won't come. So again addition only. So again you have to analyze whether these terms 2, 10, then 30 and 68 are forming some particular pattern. So 10 can be written as 3 square. 10 can be written as 2 cube plus 2, and 2 can be written as 2 is equal to 1 cube plus 1. 10 can be written as 2 cube plus 2. 2 cube is equal to 8. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Then 30 can be written as 3 cube plus 3. 3 cube is equal to 27. 27 plus 3 is equal to 30. Then 68 can be written as 4 cube plus 4. So your next number to be added will be 5 cube plus 5, which gives you 125 plus 5 is equal to 130. So your answer will be 113 plus 130, which gives you 243. So 243 will be your answer. So for these kind of questions, you found out the difference between the consecutive terms and whether these numbers are forming some kind of pattern in terms of 1 cube plus 1 or 1 cube minus 1 or 1 square plus 1. Likewise, are they forming some particular pattern? So from that you are finding out the next number to be added and you are finding out the unknown number. So you can improve this sudden recognition of the pattern only through practice. So constant practice is the key to solving these kind of questions. Thank you for watching.